In this session we're going to look at how we can print from frame. Currently I have a program in here that allows me to work out the cost of mowing an area of lawn. So I can enter in the area of the lawns, say it's 10 square meters, and it costs $2 per square meter, which gives us a total of $20. But what I'd like to do is print this out so I can hand this up. Currently here is my code. I've got my developer comments, and I'll just stop the program. And as we go through this, you can see that I've got my local variables set up. I then have my input, processing, then output. I'm using developer principles such as Hungarian notation, using I for integers, TXT for text boxes, and camel case, where mowing area start with a lowercase, then every word after that goes capital. So you can actually see total mowing cost, so that's using camel case down here. I've also done some concatenation by putting a $ in front of it and using the end symbol to join them together. But how do we print? Well, to get your code out of here, we just go up and we can go down to print, and we're going to select the frame virtual printer. If we go into properties, you can actually see what the printer settings are, but more importantly that it's defaulted to color unless you want black and white. So it's going to default as a color printout, and this is important because we'll actually get the greens as green and the blues as blue. When I click on print, you'll notice that down the bottom right hand corner a little printer will appear down here, and then I can actually select on or click the printer icon. We'll download the printed page as a PDF, and I can open that PDF. I then can use Adobe Acrobat to control this, or if I needed to, I can actually select the text out of here and paste it where I need it to be. So this is how we can actually get our printed program out. But to get the runtime version, in other words, the runtime is blank runtime user interface, which is this one at the moment. I'm going to move over to this area here, and I'm just going to use my Mac command as Command-Shift-4 and take a screenshot, and that will place that on my desktop. Or if you're using a PC, you can just use the snippet tool to snip that out, and that will give me a blank runtime interface, and then I can put some data in such as 10, and then I can take another screenshot by going Command-Shift-4 and drawing a marquee around that as well to give me the runtime version of our output. And then I can use Adobe Acrobat once again to put those together. Otherwise I can extract the images and put them into a Google Doc or a Word document.